Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another Project Melanin Beauty video. Just a few more videos left in this series. I really do hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials, and I thank you again for always tuning in, for liking and sharing these videos. As you can see, we are going in with foundation for this look, as I normally do, and I'm just blending that out with my Real Technique sponge. And then I'm going to go in with some liquid concealer in the center of her face to cover up some dark circles and to highlight. And of course you want to blend that out. Blend by blend. Blending is key, guys. Make sure you blend your concealers nicely into your complexion. And then of course you want to set your foundation. And to set, I'm going in with a translucent powder in C25. This is a tinted translucent powder that's very lightweight. It's going to give her a little extra coverage and also set her foundation nicely to give her a smooth, flawless finish. Going into the Contour and Highlight palette in light, I'm going into the center of the face with the highlighting powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour her cheeks to give her some really nice high cheekbones. So moving on, I'm going in with a little bronzer. I want to warm up her complexion a bit. So I'm taking that matte bronzer and applying it in a C formation. So from the forehead and right across the cheek. Moving on to brows, I'm going to fill in her brows with our brow pencil in brunette. And taking a little concealer, I'm going to clean up her brows just a bit and further define them. And lastly, to finish off her brows, I'm going to set them with a little brow mascara. Going on to eyes, I'm going in with the Royalty palette and we're going to do a really pretty soft mauve-ish smoky eye. So I'm going in with a muted purple and I'm going to blend that out into the crease and all over the lid. I'm also going to bring that color down to the lower lash line. And on the lid, I am using a shimmery soft lavender purple. And now I'm going to go into the waterline with a nude pencil to really open up her eyes. Using our gel pencil in Tin Roof, which is a really pretty silver gray, I'm going to apply that using an angled brush. And I'm just going to press that into the upper lash line and then finish up with a couple coats of Intense Lash mascara. I'm going into one of my favorite blushes, Drizzle, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of her face. And to finish off the look, I'm going in with our lipstick in Candid. here's the finished look, guys. Soft, pretty, and smoky. How do you guys like it? Please leave a comment below and let me know.
I honestly love it. I've never seen myself so done up. The eyebrows are my favorite part.
Oh my
God. So self-care definitely makes me feel confident. When I feel good, I look good. And it definitely shows from the inside out. So I love to, like, you know, set a hot bath, get some candles in there, get a good smelling, you know, fragrance going. Yeah, that definitely makes me feel confident. I think I love the community. I mean, I grew up in church, so there's a lot of people at the church who are just always encouraging me, always checking up on me, and just being really kind. And I just love that. I love the community. I would tell myself, don't worry about it so much. Focus on bigger and better things. Don't get sidetracked. Don't let that distract you. Don't let it blind you, because you'll miss out on a lot of opportunities because you're worried about the wrong things.